Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make these plant markers that you can put in your potted plants or your garden to label your vegetables and herbs. But first, Jane thought it was important to say hi. So, hi! Hi! Okay, let's get started. First, you're going to need to print off some plant markers. You can get these ones on my website, hammerandaheadband.com, which I'll link to below. So print these on a thick cardstock so it's not too flimsy. I also included some blank labels in the printable so you can write in if you have any specific varieties, or if I missed your favorite vegetable, you can write it in. Once you have those printed out, start by cutting around the shape. I like to leave a little white border, which you can kind of see here. So once you have the shapes cut out, then we're going to laminate them. So any kind of laminating sheets will work for this. I'm going to start by cutting these with some excess around the outside because we want a border so that the lamination can seal all the way around the cardstock, because I do use these outside. So go ahead and cut out a few little rectangles for your shapes. We need 2 per shape so that we can laminate the front and back. Okay, so normally this is designed where you can peel from the top, but that's for laminating a whole sheet. And in this case, we're just laminating these little plant markers, so it's tricky, but just kind of carefully peel from the corner. And make sure there's no dust or anything on the plant marker when you set it on here, and try and center it. Make sure no bubbles get in. Also try not to touch the surface so it doesn't lose its stickiness. And then peel this one. Okay. Set that over the top. And press really good. And press all the way directly around the border so that this section on the outside will seal it in really good. Let's see. That's good. There's no specks and no bubbles over the plant marker. And now we just cut a border, leaving about 1/4 inch, again, so it seals in. Now we have 2 mid-century plant markers, and we just need to glue them to some kind of stake. So a wood dowel is a good option for a natural garden stake. I've also used straws because they're very durable. They'll last in the weather for a long time. So it just depends on if you want the more natural option, but straws are food safe too, so it's just up to you. You can set it face down and put a dab of glue right in the middle. And set the dowel on top. And then before it sets, just check that you like how it looks, like if it's level. Looks good, so I'm going to press it in place. Okay, that's all there is to it. So once that dries, you can go ahead and put it in the garden and never forget what your plants are again.